This is our CoVibrant rolling stool. It's very well made. Cushioned nicely for a bar stool. I mean, it's not a lounging chair. The back is very cushioned as well. It's sturdy, it's strong. The instructions I found to be helpful when the seller sent them in a PDF format afterwards. It was very well laid out and it went exactly as expected. The casters are protected with a blue like clear tape thing, and you can take it off. I decided to just leave it on, it's probably just safer in my house. And the stool itself rolls nicely and it raises and lowers as expected. Little kids who sit on the chair will have issues raising and lowering it because they're not heavy enough to actually make it do its thing. But it is a very nice chair. We like it. Stitching has held up over time and the pieces have all held up. Make sure that these bolts are in tightly when you do screw them in so that they don't fall out. But otherwise, craftsmanship is great. We like our CoVibrant stool a lot. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. We love our stool.